Welcome back to the Health Channel. Today, we have a topic that's close to all our hearts: getting a good night's sleep. In today's fast-paced world, insomnia and sleep-related problems are on the rise. But fear not. We've got you covered with some natural solutions to help you enhance your sleep and say goodbye to those restless nights. But before we dive in, here's a fun fact about sleep. Did you know that humans spend approximately 1/3 of their lives asleep? That's right. If you live to be 90 years old, you will have spent a whopping 30 years in dreamland. Now, let's make sure those 30 years are of the highest quality. Tip number 1, daylight in the first hour of waking up. First up, we have a tip that might surprise you but works incredibly well. Exposure to natural daylight during the first hour of waking up can significantly improve your sleep quality. This is because it helps regulate your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. When you soak in the morning sun, it sends a signal to your brain that it's time to be alert and awake. This, in turn, sets the stage for a more restful sleep when night falls. Artificial light, on the other hand, does not give the same signals to the brain as natural light does in the morning. It does have an effect on the brain in the evening, but we'll talk about that later. So, try to step outside, even for just a few minutes, and let that sunlight work its magic. Tip number 2, magnesium supplements. Next, let's talk about magnesium. This often overlooked mineral plays a crucial role in relaxing your muscles and calming your nerves. Even though magnesium plays a crucial role for our health, most people have a magnesium deficiency due to unhealthy food patterns and the decline of minerals in the soil. So if you're struggling with sleep, supplementing magnesium might be a game changer for you. Magnesium helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxation and restfulness. It also regulates the production of melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle. However, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's right for you. Tip number 3, create a sleep-friendly environment. Now, let's focus on your sleep environment. Creating a cozy and calming space can work wonders for your sleep quality. Consider investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your preferred sleeping position. Additionally, make sure your room is as dark as possible, either by using blackout curtains or an eye mask. Maintaining a cool temperature is essential. Studies suggest that around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius, is optimal for most people. Noise can disrupt your sleep, so try using white noise machines or earplugs if necessary. And perhaps most importantly, remove any electronic devices that emit blue light, such as smartphones, tablets, and computers, from your bedroom. The blue light emitted by these devices can interfere with your circadian rhythm by suppressing melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Tip number 4, evening wind-down routine. Having a relaxing wind-down routine in the evening can signal to your body that it's time to sleep. Try activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation exercises like deep breathing or meditation. Reading a book, for example, can help shift your focus away from the day's stressors and promote relaxation. A warm bath can raise your body temperature, and when you step out, your body temperature drops, mimicking the natural cooling process that occurs as you fall asleep. Relaxation exercises, like deep breathing or meditation, can calm your mind and reduce stress and anxiety, both of which can interfere with sleep. It's all about creating a soothing pre-sleep ritual that lets your body know it's time to wind down. Tip number 5, herbal teas and natural remedies. Now, let's explore some herbal teas and other natural remedies to enhance your sleep. Some herbs, like chamomile and valerian root, have been used for centuries to promote sleep. Chamomile contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to receptors in your brain that may promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia. Valerian root has been shown to help improve sleep quality and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. You can also try warm milk or a teaspoon of honey before bed. Warm milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that can promote sleep, while honey can help stabilize blood sugar levels. However, be sure to avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime, as they can disrupt your sleep. Tip number 6, regular exercise. Adding regular exercise to your daily routine can be a game changer when it comes to improving sleep. Engaging in physical activity helps reduce stress, anxiety, and restlessness, making it easier for you to unwind at night. Exercise also increases the secretion of endorphins, your body's natural mood elevators, which can promote a sense of well-being and relaxation. However, it's important to note that the timing of your exercise matters. Aim to complete your exercise session at least a few hours before bedtime to allow your body to cool down. Late-night vigorous exercise can have the opposite effect, making it more challenging to fall asleep. Tip number 7, limit caffeine and alcohol. Be mindful of your caffeine and alcohol intake, especially in the afternoon and evening. Caffeine is a stimulant that can keep you awake, so try to avoid it in the hours leading up to bedtime. It's not just coffee, caffeine can hide in tea, energy drinks, and even some medications, so check labels carefully. Alcohol, on the other hand, may initially make you feel drowsy, but it can disrupt your sleep cycle and lead to poorer sleep quality. While a nightcap might seem tempting, it can lead to fragmented sleep and frequent awakenings during the night. Instead of caffeine or alcohol, opt for soothing herbal teas as we spoke of before, or a glass of warm milk to help you relax before bedtime. Tip number 8, keep a consistent sleep schedule. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is crucial for optimizing your sleep quality. Your body thrives on routine, and having a set bedtime and wake-up time can help regulate your internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same times every day, even on weekends. This consistency helps your body anticipate when it's time to rest and when it's time to be alert. If you find yourself having trouble falling asleep or waking up at the same time, stick to your schedule, even on weekends, until your body naturally adjusts. In the long run, this simple habit can significantly improve your sleep patterns and overall sleep quality. There you have it. A comprehensive guide to enhancing your sleep naturally. Remember, a good night's sleep is crucial for your overall health and well-being. So, embrace these tips, and don't let insomnia hold you back from living your best life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Health channel for more valuable health tips. Until next time, sweet dreams and stay healthy.